In today's video, we will be comparing two popular portable washing machines, the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and user experiences to help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The ROVSUN offers a larger washing capacity of 15 pounds, which includes 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads, perfect for families or those who do laundry less frequently. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of only 10 Ls, making it ideal for smaller loads such as delicates or a few items at a time. If you need to wash more clothes at once, the ROVSUN is the clear winner. When it comes to features, the ROVSUN stands out with its built-in drain pump and separate timers for washing and spinning, allowing for more control over the laundry process. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is designed for portability with its foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. However, it lacks a built-in drain pump, which means you'll have to manually empty it after use. Depending on your priorities, each machine has its advantages. In terms of portability, the portable washing machine is extremely compact and lightweight, making it perfect for travel, dorms, or small apartments. It can easily be folded and stored away when not in use. Conversely, the ROVSUN, while offering more capacity and features, is larger and heavier, which may limit its portability. If you prioritize ease of transport, the portable washing machine is the better choice. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN and the portable washing machine have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a machine for larger loads and have the space, the ROVSUN is a solid option. However, if you prioritize portability and compact size, the portable washing machine may be the better fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.